Think your neighborhood is safe? These Ring doorbell clips will make you think twice. Bismarck, North Dakota. Gulfport, Mississippi. A stranger randomly enters a porch. Comment down below what you would have done if you caught him.
Can I help you?
Can I use your Wi-Fi?
No, you can get off my yard.
I need to call my mom.
You can get off my yard.
Bellingham, Washington. If you're out here stealing tires, you've officially hit a new level of pathetic. Chattanooga, Tennessee. A group of teens is caught on camera driving by, jumping out to break into cars, one of them visibly armed with a gun. Wilmington, Delaware. You're on camera, pal. Might want to rethink your life choices. Amarillo, Texas. A ring warning message stops a car theft. Rochester, Minnesota. A man is caught by the homeowner stepping onto their porch.
Can I help you? Hey.
So, I want to know, is this Montclair Road?
Huh?
Road?
I can't hear you. What did you say? Now he's walking back down the street. Must be a crackhead.
Huntsville, Alabama. A quick reminder, always lock your doors. You never know who might come snooping around. Provo, Utah. Teenagers are caught on a Ring camera rifling through a stolen backpack right in front of the door they took it from. Kennewick, Washington. Not sure what set this guy off, but whatever it was, he was mad. Chattanooga, Tennessee. In the backyard, peeking through windows. It doesn't get much creepier than this. Santa Rosa, California. If you don't lock your car, don't be surprised when everything inside disappears. Montgomery, Alabama. A Ring camera captures the moment a motorcycle gets stolen. Flagstaff, Arizona.
Nigga, get down them steps, you raggedy bitch, starting shit in my face.
Mobile, Alabama. Would you open the door to these two random strangers? Fort Lauderdale, Florida. If you're leaving your car unlocked these days, you're just making it way too easy for thieves like this. Baton Rouge, Louisiana, one of the scariest ring videos to look back on. Boise, Idaho. This DoorDash driver dropped off the food, then decided she'd rather keep it for herself. Macon, Georgia. Honestly, how pathetic can you get? Stealing a leaf blower at 2:30 a.m. But even more pathetic is stealing a doormat. Eugene, Oregon. These days, they'll grab anything off your porch, no matter how small or worthless. Lansing, Michigan. Springfield, Illinois. A creep is spotted lurking around the neighborhood, peeking into homes like he's hunting for an opportunity. Santa Monica, California. Always lock your car doors. Vallejo, California.
Mr. Tony, it's Ashley.
Laredo, Texas. 4 armed punks are caught scoping out a house. Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This man steals a bike while clearly knowing he's on camera. Didn't even try to hide it. Billings, Montana. It's sad to see young teens already heading down the path of stealing. Odessa, Texas. Would you have opened the door? Let me know in the comments.
Yeah.
Come here.
Who you looking for?
I need help. I caught a fly in front of y'all house.
Well, I'll call the police for you.
I'm saying, can someone help me real quick?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Evansville, Indiana. Curiosity got the best of this guy. He couldn't resist lurking around a home that clearly wasn't his. Redding, California. It really cannot be that hot outside. Animal abuse is as low as it gets. This man needs to be held accountable immediately. St. Cloud, Minnesota. Honestly, how do you even end up in a situation like this? Charlottesville, Virginia. Another thief tries to break into a car, but walks away empty-handed. Fort Myers, Florida. Stealing a kid's bike? That's just low and seriously pathetic. Elkhart, Indiana. Ithaca, New York. Gunshots are heard through the entire neighborhood. Bangor, Maine. A creepy man in a ski mask is seen roaming the neighborhood, checking doors. San Angelo, Texas. A group of thieves roams the neighborhood, trying car door after car door, hoping to find one unlocked. Pocatello, Idaho. A garbage man unexpectedly witnesses a police chase unfold right in front of him. Lawrence, Kansas.
Can I help you? I'm on my way.
Augusta, Maine. Luckily, the doors were locked. Albany, Oregon. A man is caught on Ring camera stealing a scooter like it's his to just take. Albany, New York. Always stay alert for creeps like this checking your windows. Keep a gun around. You never know what they might try next. Erie, Pennsylvania. A creepy woman rings the doorbell, then just stands there staring straight into the camera. Unsettling, to say the least. Augusta, Georgia. A thief is spotted stealing at 2 a.m. Naples, Florida. A Ring camera catches a group going from car to car, checking for any unlocked doors. Little Rock, Arkansas. Palm Bay, Florida. Jonesboro, Arkansas. Two young men show up at the door at 2:26 a.m., both armed and definitely not there for a friendly visit.
Open the door. Open the door.
Watch how the left guy has a gun in his right hand. Duluth, Minnesota. Columbia, Missouri, the Ring camera's light flips on, and just like that, the would-be thief changes his mind. Amarillo, Texas. The moment the alarms go off, they do what they always do: run like hell. Medford, Oregon.
Please leave the package outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Fort Smith, Arkansas. Yet another man caught roaming around, testing car doors. Galveston, Texas. Appleton, Wisconsin. An old man is seen acting suspicious around a house. Always keep your doors locked. Grand Rapids, Michigan. A Ring camera captures a disturbing moment as a woman aggressively attacks a cat on someone's porch. Beaumont, Texas. These guys stroll through the neighborhood checking car doors like it's a midnight clearance sale. Topeka, Kansas. A Ring camera captures a man breaking in and casually walking off with stolen items. Dover, Delaware. Just another night, and here comes the usual suspect checking car doors like it's a neighborhood scavenger hunt. Allentown, Pennsylvania. A shirtless man roams the neighborhood, acting erratic and stealing whatever he can get his hands on. Santa Barbara, California. Another car emptied because the doors weren't closed properly. Rockford, Illinois. A homeowner spots a woman lurking on his porch and decides to confront her face to face.
Ma'am, can I help you?
Oh, hey there. I'm sorry. Anybody over here, TR, told me that this place was empty.
No.
He said that he's good.
No.
No, okay.
I've been living here since November.
Oh, for real? What's your name?
Mason.
Mason? Okay. I'm sorry. He said that his brother Joe lived over here and somebody else that caught the place. Anyways, I was looking for a place to live in tonight, so he just told me I could probably come over here.
Yeah, no, man, I don't know who that is. You have a good night.